The solar install that we got from the Genesis School Gen Trust allowed the school to move away from using our coal boiler and to make a conscious choice to use more renewable energy source.
The sun's coming down from the beams up there onto the solar panel, and it's going through, the electricity is going through the wires onto the pump.
It also allows us to give a really practical example to our children of how sustainable energy works, and they can see the live data, they can see what they're generating, and they can see the impact that they can have on our environment through making good conscious choices.
It's more like efficient for the earth instead of like polluting it.
Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, Sun.
The solar power helps us generate energy for the lights at our school.
They're much more aware of where their energy is coming from. They're also seeing the relationship between turning something on, a switch, and actual energy usage. Rather than just assuming that it will turn on, they understand that that has an impact and that energy has to come from somewhere.
The sun is like a reusable kind of like energy that you can use more than once.
Thanks, Genesis School Gen Trust.